What's up, y'all? So today has been super busy thus far. You could just tell that work was just like waiting on your girl to return. I have been in non-stop meetings today. I just completed a training session, a personal training session at the library. It's currently 4:14 p.m. I'm heading to the house because I am super tired and I need to rest before I have my last group coaching session with my Aligned Baddies. Okay, basically today's the last group coaching session for this round of the program. I know it went by so fast because I know y'all remember when I first announced that, you know, the program had reopened just 6 weeks ago. So time has flown by. Okay, but tonight we're gonna have a pretty lengthy group coaching session because I have a lot of information to cover. And then afterwards we are going to celebrate. They're gonna have their graduation ceremony, and yeah, we're gonna wrap it up. So I'm excited, very proud of my students. They have made such amazing progress over the course of these 6 weeks. They have created a bond within the community with the other Aligned Baddies, and it's just been beautiful, beautiful, beautiful experience. I'm super excited to see how they flourish within their businesses, within their brands, and on social media, and just overall as individuals. I'm very proud of them. Get from behind you. So yeah, I think it's appropriate for me to make sure that I have enough energy to fully engage with them as I want to, and not to feel like I'm just too tired and to not give my all. So that's why we're going to the house to, you know, reset. But side note, has any of you started watching, or have you watched the show, well, the Netflix series called Forever? Because I started watching it yesterday and it's actually really good. I think I only have like I think I'm on episode 7 and there's like one episode left after this. So I'm enjoying it. It's a cute black love story, and I highly recommend that you check it out. That's all I can really say. But yeah, so I will chat with y'all when I am chatting with my students. I'll give y'all a little behind the scenes of that entire experience, and we'll go from there.
Every single time, when I say every single time we would go out, she would lock eyes with somebody on accident.
What?
And always pull so, and I'm playing bodyguard. You know, I'm all protected.
Yeah.
She can't help it. Her eyes always snag somebody. And it was just, it's always been a thing. Always been a thing. I just have to share.
No, I love that because I got goosebumps because there's no coincidence that your brand is See My View.
Come on.
There's no coincidence based on what Fabi just said, Limitless just said. There is no coincidence that your brand is See My View. Are we at a game? Are we at a sports game? What we doing? I'm just playing.
Come on, Big C.
Oh, I love to see this side of you, Bobby. This is awesome. I love it. I want more of this. But no, for real, like, See My View. I want you to embody that energy every single time. Your eyes, and they're not lying. Whenever you and I get on a call together, I immediately gravitate to you. Like, something about you makes me like want to pay attention. Like I'm like locked in. I'm like, I'm listening to you. So utilize that power, because that's a natural gift for you.
What did you say?
Natural, okay? See My View. Awesome. Now let's go on over to Limitless. Let's clap it up for her. Yeah, I had to put that picture of us. We just took this at Bobby's birthday / engagement party, okay? Yes.
I'm not gonna talk about that day.
We're not gonna get into that. We're not gonna get into that right now.
Y'all look cute.
Thank you, Cece. Thank you. Let's clap it up for Liv. I have to clap it up for you because, one, from the beginning, I was so excited when you joined the program, just like Cece, because I was excited to get to know you even better, even more. Because of not only how highly Vivi speaks of you, but because of the videos that I already saw you posting on Instagram. And I'm like, oh, she has a power. She has a power. I need to get to know Source Speaks, She Listens even more. But I never could have guessed that although I was pouring into you weekly, that you was going to pour into me just as much. I could have never guessed it, that even when I was going through a tough shift, that you were going to have the answers to exactly what I was experiencing. Unknowingly, you did. I could have never guessed that I was going to connect with another lady like you too, Cece, but you far away because we haven't had our physical meetup yet. But I could have never guessed that you and I were going to click as much as we did throughout this program. So not only am I proud of you as my student, but I'm also honored to call you a sister, a friend, and for you to be a part of my community, someone I trust. I don't do that with everybody. I'm a Scorpio, but I trust you. Something about you, I have nothing to second guess. I know that I can count on whatever you say. Like, I don't have to do any background research. If you say, well, this is da-da-da, oh, well, she said it for shit. I mean, that's what it is. Like, I don't need to second guess. Your words are valuable. So I just had to put that disclaimer out there first. But the reason why, another reason I want to hype you up is because you weren't afraid to give me all of your ideas. All of your limitless brand ideas. I'm telling you, every week, Cece, she had a different one. And we will be halfway done to that one-on-one. She was like, I think I'm supposed to tell you this too. And I'm like, no, don't tell me it's another one. Do not tell me it's another one. But you know what that did? That stretched me as a brand coach because I never had anyone to do that. So every time you did it, it challenged me. It challenged me to say, okay, how should I approach this? Because I didn't want to discourage you because I love that you had the ideas. But I'm like, okay, so how can I help her to get to that point where she's certain that this is what she wants to do? So you're the student that stretched me. So thank you for that. So she has her Source Speaks, She Listens brand, which is, again, popping off on TikTok, okay? She's been posting every day, and I checked, I want to let you know. She's been posting every day since May 1st, consistently. And the views going crazy. The likes going crazy. The following is growing. And I just want to say, again, I'm proud of you because you found your lane. And I know you're about to pop off. I'm just telling you, you found your lane. You're about to pop off. A year from now, I'm going to have you as a guest. A guest speaker. Okay? With the program in my next, that round of students. And you're gonna tell your story. You're going to teach them how to do it. I'm gonna hand you the ball. Say, go ahead, girl. Show them how to go off on TikTok. You found your lane. Then you have your brand. Limitless Apothecary. I love that because it's an extension of you. And I can already tell, even from Bobby's first still event, that when you did your pop-up and you were like a vendor there.
Sorry.
Yeah, no, she killed it. Cece, I wish you could have seen her. She killed it. Okay? She dressed the part. She was very informative and knowledgeable of the products. She sold me. I got a product. Like, it was natural for you. And I love that. And that brand, in my opinion, really pulls out that alter ego, that other side of you, which is what we've been talking about. Well, I want you to pull out a little bit more. We're working on that. Your image and everything, we're working on that. But I love that you have that extension. And then just a week ago, I think it's a week ago, she told me she wanted to do a podcast. But the podcast she told me about, it just makes perfect sense. And it's called Weird. Right? And I'm like, you know what? This works.
I love it.
This works. It just aligns with her. And to be honest, now that I'm saying this aloud, it wouldn't make sense to me if you only had one brand. Because you're limitless. You should have more than one. You should have more than one business. There's no limit to what you have to offer. Everything is an extension of you. So I'm proud of you because you've been speaking up. You've been using your voice. You've been stepping out of your comfort zone. You've been consistent with joining the group coaching sessions and the one-on-ones. And you have been bold enough to tell me what additional topics you need to learn about. Thank you. I like people who's not afraid to speak up. And that's you. So I wish you the best in all of your endeavors because you are walking in your purpose. You have aligned your passion with your purpose. And I know you have that confidence now to take even more bold steps so that you can fully engulf into what you should be doing. There's no doubt in your mind anymore. You know what you should be doing. Okay? So kudos to you too. Now, as far as the gifts, I switched it up this time and I gave y'all your gifts in the beginning of the program, which was the digital media library and all the products that's in there. I don't know if you all ever really looked at it, but there is a lot of digital products in there, such as an annual mindset and goal setting planner. Also a social media content planning template. There's a 30-day habit tracker for entrepreneurs. If this is something, if there's habits that you're trying to break or there's habits you want to embody, use the tracker, okay? Also, there's a launch and grow step-by-step breakdown on what to do. And then Lindra, like what we spoke about, there's also a PDF, which I added in there today, on how to legalize your business, okay? It breaks everything down, the different types of legalities, if you want to do an LLC, a sole proprietor, all of that. CC, this can apply to you too, because as a content creator, a lot of people, they register themselves legally so that when they get paid, and do taxes, it's not really attached to them. So take a look at that too, okay? And then lastly, my Patreon. If y'all want to join the Patreon, let me know. And I'll give y'all personal discount codes, no problem. But when it comes all down to it, you all have received so much value throughout this program. And so have I. I've gotten to know you ladies personally, professionally, creatively. And I hope that we continue to build our relationships. Okay? Yeah. So the last thing I ask of you all is to just provide a testimonial. Your experience of the program. You don't have to sugarcoat anything for me. Any type of feedback is good feedback for me because I'm still building it out and I want it to be the best of the best. So if you can send me either a written testimonial, maybe you captured pictures or videos throughout your experience, or just do a video testimonial, I would greatly appreciate that. And I'll be adding it to my social media pages as I continue to build out this program. Okay? So that's it, ladies. You are done. You did it.
Walk the stage, ladies.
Walk the stage. Like, move the tassel along to the other side. The
whole time.
I love it. Go, girl. See? This is the energy we need, okay? This is the energy we need.
I look forward to when your graduations are in a venue. And
oh, my God. Yes. Look.
When you speak, I can see it.
You can? Look, all of us will be sitting on the stage shaking the hands. You did it. You did it. Congratulations.
I'm just going to speak it because I saw it. We're at the end of every cohort, it's a conference, a weekend conference. Graduation at the end of the conference.
Come on. Destination.
Y'all, we've been talking about the destination. I really need to get that together. I have a place in mind. But I have a place in mind, but because of this place that I have in mind, it's going to have to be for next year. I'm going to look into it because I've never been to this place, but I've been wanting to go. And I think that we will thrive in this place. So I'm gonna keep y'all posted on that because we gotta do a destination.
Wherever you say.
Look, we gotta do a destination, okay? So before we conclude, it wouldn't be right if Rello didn't say anything. He said congratulations, y'all. Before we conclude, just to let you know, earlier today I did send y'all links for your one-on-ones for the rest of this month. So just check your calendar, because there's still some things we need to meet about so that when June comes, you can officially launch and you really ready. Okay, so the links that I sent you, it also has a description on what we're going to go over. And then after May, whenever you need a one-on-one, just schedule it with me. That's all there is, okay? That and the brand photo shoots. Remember, that's included. So, Cece, I know you stay in Tennessee, girl. If I got okay, if it's a road trip, right? If Bobby and Limitless want to join, right? We just pull up on you, take your pictures, okay? Then we're gonna do it, okay? So we gonna talk about it during your one-on-ones, all right?
Sounds good.
Awesome, ladies. All right, I hope y'all enjoy your evening. Remember, celebrate yourselves. Have a drink or something. Thank you for joining, Bobby. Love you too.
Of course. All right, y'all.
Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Bye. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. Y'all, that's it. That is it. Oh, my students just graduated. I'm so proud of them. Aligned.Baddie, we making moves out here. I'm making impact. I'm walking in my purpose. I'm so proud. Okay, y'all, I'm going to close out this video diary and I'm going to celebrate myself because this is a major win. So I'll chat with y'all later. Bye.